Spring is right around the corner. Is your home ready for the season change? Here are 4 tips on how to prepare your home for the spring. First, clean your gutters. Make sure they are clear of all dirt and debris before the rainy spring season arrives. Second, clean your outdoor furniture. The weather will be warming up very soon, which means it's time to dust off the outdoor furniture that has been stored away for the last few months. Third, clean the outside of your windows. Your windows work hard during the winter, keeping out cold winds, winter dust, dirt, and salt from the roads. You won't believe how much of a difference it will make. Fourth, check your HVAC system. Spring is an important time to make sure you change your filters and your HVAC system is running properly. You wouldn't want to find out that your AC isn't working after it gets to be really hot outside. After a long winter, everyone is ready for spring, but it's important to make sure your home is too. This video has been brought to you by JPN Investments. Thanks for watching!